the by far best exercise that I know for abs, for defining them, for letting them pop out, for making a strong and healthy core are hanging leg raises. And this is how they look. What you want to do is hang straight and lift your legs as straight as possible. What you don't want to do is go into this overextension and swing. You always want to be still and exercise everything from your strength, not with the momentum. If this is too hard for you to do, I want you to go one progression deeper. Knees together and bring them up, slowly and controlled. If that is too hard, just try to activate the muscle. That's all you need to do. Even the thought only will do so much for your core and for your mind that you will see a development in that skill. Alright, now to the cheat up part. If you're between knees and the straight legs, this is what you do. So now you're at the state where you're able to do about 10 of these easily. But now you want to straighten your legs. But you still can't because you lack the strength. What you do is you go up with knees bent, straighten out, and go down slowly. Knees bent, straighten out, slowly. As slow as possible. And you will feel that burn, and you will feel the strength grow. And sooner than you can imagine, you will be able to raise your legs easily.